Welcome to WiFi Motel in Laredo, Texas. We also want to be the hotel you choose while looking for lodging close to Lake Casa, Blanca Park, and the Laredo International Fair. Why not select us when seeking hotels near Laredo International Airport, Laredo Medical Center, and UISD Sports Activity Center? Service is warm and welcoming, and amenities include work desks and refrigerators in the majority of rooms. Up to 2 cats or dogs are welcome in each room at our pet-friendly hotel for a $20 daily fee and a $75 refundable pet deposit. We offer excellent rates, great amenities, and family-friendly comfort. Republic of the Rio Grande Museum, San Agustin Cathedral, Slaughter Park are the nearby attractions that you will find when you stay at our hotel. Book your rooms today. www.hoi59motel.com